welcome back you guys. I'm your host as always, Armando, and today we're going to continue on with The Simpsons Hit and Run. And before we begin, I have a confession to make before y'all wonder what the hell happened. As y'all see in my disclaimer of my other uploads of The Simpsons, I was having a hell of a time uploading this game. It's not really necessarily uploading this game, it was making this video of this game because for some odd reason I was having hell turning my damn game on. Basically, the PlayStation is fine. I'm playing this off my PlayStation 2, for those of y'all that don't know. And the PlayStation's fine, everything's fine. It was just the game, I was having a bitch of a time getting it re-uploaded, restarted, whatever you want to call it. And I don't know what happened. I tried to clean the disc up, tried to clean the PlayStation up, and apparently that seemed to help. But, you know, I tried to reload the game, re-upload the game, and this, that, and everything, and nothing would work at the time. So I got frustrated, I got pissed off and upset and sad and everything, all the above. All the negativity feelings you can have, I had because I was wanting to continue playing this game for you guys. So in frustration, I deleted my old videos, but thank God I didn't delete the whole save file for those games, or for those videos, not really games, but the videos. And thank God I didn't completely delete the whole file, because I currently did re-upload the videos that the old ones, because I finally got this game working, and I am happy now. I am super happy now, and I'm going to try and record as much as I can out of this, just in case it wants to be a bitch again and fuck me over. So, wish me luck, guys, and again, thank you for your support and everything. I'm sorry this intro was kind of long, but I just wanted to let you guys know what the hell happened, because with the uploads that are coming up, y'all probably like, well, this is the same shit that he posted up days ago. And you're right, it is the same thing, but only because I got frustrated and I was scared that I wasn't able to make more recordings of this game. But thank God I got it working. So forgive me, guys, if you like, this is the same shit he had a couple days ago, or a week ago, really. Yes, it is. But that's the reason why. So without further ado, I won't talk no more, because, you know, we're already almost 3 minutes in the game and hadn't even started it. But I just wanted to explain of why you see the same uploads that you saw like a week ago or more. It's for that reason. But anyways, that's it. Long story short, even though it's been a long explanation, let's just move on and continue on. Let's keep going. I've been waiting to play this game for a week now. So let's continue. No more talking.
I gotta get the new Bone Storm or I'll be as uncool as Millhouse. I'm standing right here, Bart. Hey, that's great. You better get out of here, Bart. Principal Skinner's looking for everyone that skipped school today. And when you're caught, it's expulsion, Bart. Expulsion! No problemo.
So hopefully my explanation helps. Again, I'm sorry that the intro was long, but just in case you guys were wondering,
Part
the fuck did we upload the same exact videos? That's the reason why. So, my apologies again. I got in the disclaimer. Not disclaimer, sorry. The description of the
I'll
video.
get you, Bart. Just like I got Charlie and Nan.
Afraid not.
Afraid so.
Afraid not.
Afraid so. Damn your lightning fast wit.
So yeah, I'm super happy now because I really want to record this game for you guys. I really want to play this game for you guys.
Smell you later, Stinky Gator. Nobody does it better.
I have been a fan of the Simpsons and I've done that before.
All right.
And I haven't played this game. And I want to play it. I know I'm just flapping my jaw and Brandon's head, but I'm happy now.
Easy peasy.
Alright, no, I want to talk to Jimbo.
Oh, awesome, man. That was the best Great, losers. I got the last game. 4-finger discount. Some crazy lady destroyed all the rest. When will they learn? Video games don't kill people. They just kill their minds. All right, that was so cool.
What's this? Ah. Alright. Oh, shit, it's broke. Alright, well, cool. Where to?
Look out!
Oh, sorry.
Whoa,
Sorry,
got it.
dude. Didn't know you were that close to me.
How am I gonna get that new game?
Who cares? Video games are so late 90s. Illegal fireworks are all the rave now. Better make it snappy, though, if you want to be part of this trend.
You've got it.
Alright. Be snappy about it, then. Come on now. Fuck up.
Hey, eyes on the road, jerk.
Time to lay some rubber down. One box of your finest quality Chinese frog launchers, please.
Here you go, 2 kilos of Chinese sky candy. They'll blow you away.
I want to talk to Mo.
Sorry, Bart. I can't serve booze to a minor. It ain't right.
I'm here to buy fireworks.
Oh, hell yeah.
Alright. Okay. Oh, there they are. Really hurt it, bro.
What? The hell about getting off the road?
Very fluid. Hurry. We're in time.
How about a hard one next time?
Need some repairs to my car. It's gonna blow.
One dozen of your best Tijuana toilet crackers, my good man.
Here you go, kid dude. Now don't blow your hand off. Or do. What do I care?
I need some wrenches. My cord's been drawn.
Jump to light speed.
Where are we going now? Where's my arrow? Where are my arrows?
the hood is that you got access to your old man's fireworks stash.
Fireworks make my ears yell.
Here's some gumdrops. Now make with the works.
My daddy's going to put you in jail. Bye.
Fireworks, eh? You're looking at 5 life sentences of community service.
This is bad, this is bad, this is bad. Not the detailing.
Oh, shit.
Oh man, this sucks.
Ah, I need a car. I need a car. I need a car. Somebody, a car will be nice. Can I have a car? Where is he? Where's Bart? Bart,
Energy depleting. Need sugar.
get your ass up, Bart! What the hell are you doing?
Oh, this is too cool for school.
Go! Get in! Go!
Good thing this car belongs to the city.
Go! Go! Get away from him. Anywhere. Just go.
Oops.
Sweet as a cheese Danish.
Again? Ah!
Loser.
Oh, please, somebody shoot me.
Come on, I need a car. I'm gonna have to do this over again. There's no way I'm gonna fucking make it.
All right. Chill, man.
Yeah, I'm not gonna make it. Yeah, gotta do it
Boring.
again.
Bart Simpson at your service.
Alright.
Let's hit the town.
Alright.
Take that.
I'm calling mother.
One box of your finest quality Chinese frog launchers, please.
Here you go, 2 kilos of Chinese sky candy. They'll blow you away.
Sorry, Bart. I can't serve booze to a minor. It ain't right.
I'm here to buy fireworks.
Oh, hell yeah.
Time to rock. My dad will pay for all the damages. Easy peasy. One dozen of your best Tijuana toilet crackers, my good man.
Here you go, kid dude. Now don't blow your hand off. Or do. What do I care?
Full speed ahead. sucks and blows.
Where?
Ralph, word in the hood is that you got access to your old man's fireworks stash.
Fireworks make my ears yell.
Here's some gumdrops. Now make with the works.
My daddy's going to put you in jail. Bye.
That's fireworks, let's hit it.
Fireworks, eh? You're looking at 5 life sentences
Get away
of
from here.
community service.
This is bad, this is bad, this is bad.
Get away from
Yeah!
here. Get away. Anywhere, just get away from here. Just get away. Oh, there you go, get
Nice
it.
drive,
God
man.
damn it!
I didn't do it.
Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. Just don't get in the damn car. Get in the car.
Let's
and
go.
Ah, not again! Shit,
I
cars!
think I broke something.
Damn it! Let's go! Let's go!
I fought the law and I won. Oh, awesome, man. That was the best ride ever. Part time. Hey, Jabba the Fat, do you know where I can get a copy of Bone Storm 2?
Yes, I have no time to converse with you. I must be the first to register my disgust on the internet regarding the new McBain film. The action was dismal, and the nudity was frustratingly fleeting. I barely got going.
Quick, to the Fatmobile!
Yes, I suppose, but must we call it that?